Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury Channel. Classic muscle. Timeless design. Raw American power. Today, we're diving into the legendary 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, a car that helped define an era and still turns heads more than 50 years later. Exterior. The 1969 Chevelle got a subtle but sharp facelift compared to earlier models. The lines were cleaner, the stance was meaner, and everything about it screamed muscle. It featured a new horizontal front grille design with quad headlights set deeper into the bezels. The SS396 trim came with unique badging, a blackout grille, and a domed hood. Its long, aggressive profile and strong body creases over the wheel arches gave it a powerful road presence. It was available in multiple body styles, including coupe, convertible, sedan, and station wagon. Classic 14-inch rally wheels and optional raised white letter tires completed the look. It wasn't just the body, it was the attitude. Especially with the SS package, this car looked like it meant business, even when standing still. Interior. Step inside the 69 Chevelle, and you'll find a blend of comfort and performance-focused simplicity. Buyers could choose from bench or optional bucket seats, upholstered in either vinyl or cloth. The dashboard had a clean, straightforward layout with basic gauges like speedometer, fuel level, and an optional tachometer. SS models came with a 3-spoke sport steering wheel and special trim that set them apart. You could get an AM/FM radio, heater, and even air conditioning as options. Some models featured a center console with a distinctive horseshoe-style shifter if you went for the automatic. No screens. No gimmicks. Just you, the road, and a big engine under the hood. The Chevelle's interior was built for driving, not distractions. Performance. Now let's talk power, because this is where the Chevelle truly flexes. Base models came with a 140 horsepower 230 cubic inch inline-six, but the real stars were the V8 options. These included the 307, 327, and 350 small blocks, but the crown jewel was the 396 cubic inch big block V8, available in several versions, topping out at 375 horsepower in the SS 396 trim. Buyers could choose a Muncie 4-speed manual or a turbo Hydra-Motich 3-speed automatic transmission. The SS 396 could launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. With rear-wheel drive and a solid rear axle, and optional front disc brakes, the Chevelle was built to put rubber to pavement. This wasn't just a cruiser, it was a street brawler. The SS 396 wasn't just a trim badge, it meant you had serious firepower at your command. The 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle wasn't just one of the top muscle cars of its time, it's a symbol of an entire era. From its iconic looks to thunderous performance, it captured the spirit of freedom and horsepower like few others. Today, the 69 Chevelle stands as a dream car for collectors, restorers, and gearheads alike. Whether it's the roar of the 396 or the clean, timeless lines, the legend of the Chevelle lives on. Like what you see? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite classic muscle car? Until next time, keep your engines revving and your eyes on the road.